Welcome to Z Farmer. Today we will be talking about one of the least talked about horticultural plant called sweet potato. In the recent years, people rarely talked about this plant. But now, if you plant it the right way, you can export it to other countries such as United Arab Emirates, among others. All you need to do to be one of these farmers is to follow this sweet potato playlist, video by video, and you will know about the documents needed, the people to talk to, and how to produce a healthy and bumper harvest for exports. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. In this video, we will talk about sweet potato brief background, climate requirements, and finally, the soil requirements. Sweet potato is an important crop in tropical regions. In Zimbabwe, it is a very important substitute for bread. Sweet potato is grown in all the provinces. However, the major producing areas are in natural regions 2, 3, and 4. It is mainly grown by small-scale farmers as a subsistence crop, while some farmers in the A2 and A1 sectors are now also growing the crop for commercial purposes. The farmers mainly grow white-fleshed sweet potato varieties, with isolated farmers growing orange-fleshed varieties. Most farmers usually grow traditional varieties or landraces, which are passed from generation to generation. The improved varieties, which are grown for commercial purposes, are Brondal, high yields, and Chingova, taste and texture. It's a very important source of carbohydrates. Roots are eaten raw, boiled, or mashed, processed into beverage drink or flour. Leaves are cooked and eaten as relish, and also fresh biomass fed to livestock. Now let's look at the common varieties. The improved varieties are Brondal, Nemagold, Cordner, German 1 and 2, Mozambique White, and Chingova. And the local varieties are Chizai, Pamhai, Chipinge, Dube, and Chigogo. Now let's take a look at the climatic requirements. Because sweet potatoes are of tropical origin, they adapt well to warm climates and grow best during summer. Sweet potatoes are cold-sensitive and should not be planted until all danger of frost is past. The optimum temperature to achieve the best growth of sweet potatoes is between 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. Lastly, let's take a look at the soil requirements. Sweet potatoes are cultivated in a wide range of soils. A well-drained sandy loam is preferred, and heavy clay soils should be avoided as they can retard root development, resulting in growth cracks and poor root shape. Sweet potato prefers lightly acid or neutral soils with an optimum pH of between 5.5 and 6.5. Soils which are excessively acid or alkaline often encourage bacterial infections and negatively influence yields. Liming will be necessary if pH goes below 5.0. A yearly soil test may be recommended to assess soil properties, pH, and nutrient levels before ground preparation. This is all that we will be teaching in this video. Now do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Keep on following this series, and I'll promise you will learn a lot. In the next video, we will talk about propagation, planting, and we will introduce you to a special someone who will shed more light to such projects and will help you achieve greatness on your farm. That's all we have for you. Goodbye.